Hi, my name is Natalia Willette, and I'm a real estate attorney here in the state of Florida. And today I want to talk to you about the difference between an eviction action and an unlawful detainer action. So, both of the actions that I am discussing today are about getting rid of people that are in possession of your property. The main difference, of course, being that an eviction action involves you having a landlord tenancy relationship with the person that's in possession. So that means that you've got an agreement with them to pay you something for rent in exchange for them being able to live in the property or use the property for any particular purpose. That creates the landlord tenancy relationship, and that can be in writing or it can be oral. In order for it to be enforceable for longer than a period of a year, it has to be in writing, but otherwise, oral can be fine. An unlawful detainer action, on the other hand, is an action that is used to remove people from your property that you just plainly didn't give permission for them to be there. So the typical thing would be a squatter. An unlawful detainer can also be used to remove an adult child who refuses to leave your property, or a family member or friend who overstayed their welcome and refuses to leave. Another difference between the two actions is that, of course, in the action for eviction, generally you're going to have some sort of argument over damages that involve rental amounts, and you have to do a 3-day notice posting in order to get them out for non-payment of rent. In unlawful detainer actions, you do not have the obligation to do that because you, again, don't have a monetary relationship with this person. Things that are similar. So both of them, as far as the possession aspect goes, can have what's called summary procedure. So that means that after they are notified with a copy of the complaint, formally served with it, or served via posting at the door, they only have 5 days to respond to the proceedings. And in the case of an eviction action, they have to deposit rent in order to raise certain defenses. In the case of an unlawful detainer action, there's no rent deposit required. They just have to come back with something that would demonstrate that they have a right to possess the property. So, for example, if they're happen to be entitled and have something that shows that they're entitled, that would be a defense. Of course, then at that point, your whole reason for filing an unlawful detainer action would be a little bit strange. But these are some of the main differences between an unlawful detainer and an eviction action, and hopefully they can provide you a little bit of guidance in not filing for eviction actions if you do not have a landlord-tenancy relationship with the people occupying your property. Good luck out there, investors.